Welcome to Quizity, your daily place for exciting puzzles and games. A quick look at your upcoming puzzles. Only the sharpest eyes will catch the odd one. 42 tricky questions, and only 10 seconds to answer. 1 point for every right answer. Comment your score and challenge your friends. Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it. Well done! This one stands out. Time to find the odd emoji. Go! Correct! Spot the odd emoji. Are you ready for a fun shadow challenge? Wow! You got it! Can you find the odd emoji on time? Spot on! The odd emoji is this one. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Gotcha! This emoji is not the same. Look closely and guess fast. The game begins now. Amazing guess. Are you ready for more? Time to find the odd emoji. Go! Found it! Here's the different emoji. Can you catch the different one on time? Found it! Here's the different emoji. Are you ready for a fun shadow challenge? Excellent! Keep it up! Don't blink! Find the odd emoji. Spot on! The odd emoji is this one. Look closely. Which one is the odd emoji? Found it! Here's the different emoji. Welcome to Guess the Shadow. That was a tricky one. Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Amazing! This is the odd emoji. Spot the odd emoji before the timer ends. Well done! This one stands out. Think you've got sharp eyes? Let's find out. Count how many you get right and comment your score below. Let's see who's the puzzle master. Don't blink. Find the odd emoji. Great job! Here's the different emoji. One emoji is not the same. Can you find it? Got it! The odd emoji is here. It's time to play and guess the shadow. Amazing guess. Are you ready for more? Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Great job! Here's the different emoji. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Well done! This one stands out. Get ready! The shadow challenge starts now. Well done, genius! Quick! Which one is the odd emoji? Great job! Here's the different emoji. Find the odd emoji as fast as you can. Found it! Here's the different emoji. Ready for some fun? Let's play Guess the Shadow. Well done, genius! Time to find the odd emoji. Go! Got it! The odd emoji is here. Can you catch the different one on time? You found it! Odd emoji unlocked! Get ready! The shadow challenge starts now. Wow! You got it! Can you catch the different one on time? Well done! This one stands out. Can you catch the different one on time? Spot on! The odd emoji is this one. We post exciting new challenges every single day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out. Time to find the odd emoji. Go! Got it! The odd emoji is here. Find the odd emoji as fast as you can. Great job! Here's the different emoji. Let's warm up your brain with some shadows. Well done, genius! Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it! Bingo! This emoji is the odd one out. Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Gotcha! This emoji is not the same. Can you find who's hiding in the shadow? Amazing guess! Are you ready for more? Look carefully. Find the odd emoji. Here it is! The odd one revealed. One emoji is not the same. Can you find it? Amazing! This is the odd emoji. Welcome to Guess the Shadow. Awesome! You're so smart! Only sharp eyes will find the odd emoji. Great job! Here's the different emoji. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Gotcha! This emoji is not the same. Let's warm up your brain with some shadows. Great job! Can your eyes beat the clock? Find it! Bingo! This emoji is the odd one out. Look carefully. Find the odd emoji. Spot on! The odd emoji is this one. We hope you enjoyed the challenge. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. We really appreciate your support. Join us again tomorrow. We post fresh challenges every single day. See you in the next one.